This AI SEO tool can rank your article on the first page with the AI. Yes, it has 200 plus ranking factors which analyze user intent, content ideas and everything that makes your article SEO optimized, and it can make rank higher on the Google. It's also used the AI to generate the content which is SEO optimized and the plagiarism free. You can generate the article within the around 58 languages. Plus it has also the keyword research section. There's the AI writing section available. You can do the content edit. It has the content gap analysis. With the help of competitors you can find out they are ranking for the articles but you are not, so these are called the content gap. You can also analyze the competitors in the detail analysis, and there are also some ranking factors available that I will talk about in the detail later. But you can also do the reverse engineering. In the reverse engineering you have to just add your article link and the keyword, and it is going to find out all the aspects that you need to improvise because your competitors are ranking high but you are not. So what are the things that is impacting the rank? So you can do that thing in the reverse engineering. You can also track your keywords and find out their rankings. For example, these are all the keywords I am ranking and they have this kind of the rank, search volume, difficulty and the potential. So in this single list I got to all my ranking keywords and what are the things, what are the volumes, so I can just instantly take action and make their ranking higher and get more traffic. It has also the on-page fixes available. You can just go to the pages and find out all the pages on-page scores. So means if any of your important page has low on-page score, you can start optimizing and get the more SEO optimized data here. Okay, then this is the content gap where you all need to add your competitors here, and it is going to analyze their website, going to audit and going to compare with you, so you can find out all the missing topics and start working on it. So this platform name is Ranklytics, and right now it's available on the App Store starting from the just $49, but this pricing is just going for the 7 days. And if you're watching this video after 7 days, then make sure that its pricing will be the increased. Okay, so right now what I am trying to say, Ranklytics is the AI powered SEO tool that uses over 200 plus ranking signals and factors, so you can instantly analyze your content and improve its quality, make your content rich and improve their search rankings. Okay, so it has so many SEO tools right in its suite available that I will talk about a little bit later, but let first tell me about its lifetime deal. So okay, so if I go to the plans and features, pricing starting from the just $49, it has the 3 tier plans available, and in the every tier plan you will get some extra features. For example, in the tier 2 plan you can see the auto scheduling here, and in the tier 3 plan you will get the API access and the white labeling. Suppose you want to selling out your SEO reports or the SEO services, then you know white labeling is the major factor that is going to make you professional in this industry while serving out your services. Okay, that's why if you are or thinking like selling out your services and searching for a white labeling SEO tool, then this platform is really going to be a good fit for you. Okay, so in the tier 1 plan you will get the 1 user access, 1 site you can add as the project and get to all of the insights in the dashboard. Let me tell you how it's work. So if I go to dashboard right now, you can see this is the project I have added. So you can only add one this kind of the project, and in the one project you can add 1 website. Okay, so this is what its project scene will be look like. Then this is the 3 AI written articles month. Yes, you can do a little bit generation for the articles with the help of AI, but here is the limit. You can only do the 3 articles generation. Then this is the 25 content audits per month for the 1 website, and I think this is the enough for you. Then you can track up to the 100 keywords. So if you want more higher credits, I think you should go with the tier 2 or the tier 3 plan. So if you want to check it out, any of these plan, the link will be given in the description. But the one thing that is going to be unlimited in the every plan here is the keyword research, content research and the competitor analysis. Okay, so I hope you got it. These 3 things you are going to unlimited in the every plan here. Now let's back to its dashboard and let me give you a tutorial and the demo of its feature. So this is the dashboard, how it's going to look like. First you need to add your website here. So in the website adding process, it is going to ask you some details like your website name, URL, some keywords you want to track and the competitors. Okay, so once you do that, this is the dashboard you are going to land in, and here you can see that for their major features, they have the shortcut available. For example, if you want to do the keyword research, this is the keyword research section available. Let me go in it and show you how its keyword research work look like. So right now let me search just the best SaaS deals. Okay, and here you cannot just target the country or the language, you have to just go with the default here. So this is the thing I think they need to improve a little bit. Let me click on this search and it will start finding out the results based on the keyword topic keyword you have entered here. So you can see these are all the keywords here. I got the monthly search and the competition, and I can also click on the analyze to get know more about this topic keyword here or the any of these keyword. So let me just find out the most search volume keyword here. Okay, there is no filtration section available, so I think you can do the keyword research, but that is not in the that kind of the advanced that we can do in the Ahrefs or the SEMrush or the Moz. You have to just go with the flow here and the things is appearing. So suppose I got this keyword, so I will click here on the analyze and let's see what are the other things I will get on this keyword here. So I got the search volume, I got the secondary keywords, I got the user intent. So these are the all the user intent, and if you read out this one, you can instantly get to know what user was seeking out behind his or her this topic seed keyword. Okay, so let me scroll down below, and here are the some of the content ideas based on your keyword here. So let me see, this is the keyword idea. So I think ideas are good, and if I click here on the start writing, it will start generating the content or where we can start writing the content. Okay, then this is the competitors. These are all the top 10 sub competitors ranking for this topic keyword. Okay, so this is the keyword research section, although this is not that kind of the highly AI advanced here, but this is the just enough to get started with you. Okay, then this is the generate content ideas. I already told you, you have to just add your seed keywords and it is going to give you some content ideas on which you can start working. Then this is the AI article generation section. If you want to do the content audit, you have to go to this section. Here you have to just add the URL and the seed keyword. There for that you want to run the audits, and that will be appear here. Okay, let me go to dashboard, scroll down below. This is the schedule content generation. Okay, so here there's also a feature available that lets you schedule the article generation. Let me go to this section here and see what are the things we have to do. So enable, we have to select the writing of style, then we have the articles per month, we have to select, let me go with the 2, and after that you can see it is asking me the keyword. After that it is going to find out the content ideas, and based on the content ideas it is going to start scheduling the content for the future. I think this feature is also something new we have seen in this tool here. Then this is the content gap. You have your competitors. Okay, so you have to add those competitors URL here. So you can add up to the 5 competitors and just click on the find content gap. And now what this AI tool will do, it is going to audit those websites and compare with your website, and after that finding out all the keywords that those competitors are ranking but you are not. So it will suggest you those topics and the keywords, so you can also generate the content on that, and basically this is what content gap called. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard again and see what are the other things we have available. We can also do the detailed competitor analysis here. So let me go to the competitor analysis. All it is asking me my website URL and the keywords. So I will go with the SaaS deals and let's click on the create analysis. Now it will find out top competitors and the URLs for my website relevance, and after that I can easily check it out on here, and I can just add them here on the content gap, and now I can easily just find out the topics and the keywords they are ranking, but I am not. So I can also create the content on them and fill up the content gap. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say here. I know this is a little bit complicated tool, and I know this is the SEO perspective, so you have to a little bit stay with me to get understand it. Okay, so this is the your content or competitor analysis. Okay, so let's go to the next thing, that is the find stats and the codes. easily generate a list of stats and the codes to use your next content piece. Suppose you are doing a little bit research and you are looking for the stats like Quora users. You don't know how many Quora platform has users that are using monthly this platform. So what you can do, just search or add the topic or the title and click on the generate stats. So it is going to do a little bit research. Okay, I have done that but nothing appeared. Let me click again. Okay, this is not giving me any idea. I think their content, or sorry, this quad and the stats section is not right now is fully capitalized to performing the task here. So these are the mostly 7 or 8 core features I have showed you right now. Okay, and these are all the your shortcuts available here. And if you want to get in detail section, you can find out this is for the content. Here you'll find out all of your content that you have created or working on it. This is your keyword section. Okay, and here you'll find out all the keywords you have added that you want to always monitor. Then this is the audit section. Here you can find out the audit for your web page. For example, I have audit my home URL, so I will go to the reports and see what are the things that is needed to be optimized and improved in my this page here. So you can see I got the SEO score, I got the meta tags, I got the compare competitor. Basically these are the competitors for that keyword. Okay, let me scroll up. Okay, right now still its data is not available, although I have around half an hour last time I have audited this page and the URL, and still it is not load up with the result. So it's many features still needs the improvement. Okay, in the analyze section you will got the reverse engineering, you will got the rank tracking, you will got the on pages fixes, where you can find out all the pages which needs the improvement. For example, I have the more than 100 pages that have the broken resources, so I need to change that. 8 pages has the duplicate data, I need to improve that. 8 pages has the duplicate description, also I need to improve that. So you can also filter out, like let's go with the duplicate pages. So these pages have the duplicate material that I need to improve, and I have filtered out here. So this is how you can use its on page fixes section. Then this is the pages. It is show you all of your website pages, their on page score, and if you want a detailed report on every of these page, you have to simply click it here. Then this is the content gap that I have already talked about. So this is the quick overview on its features and the demo I have given on the Rankytics. And if you want to check out its deal starting from just $49, the link is given in the description. So that's all in this video I want to talk about. This tool looks really good, and in the future if there are some things that improve, definitely worth it here. So if you want to check it, just find the link in the description. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.